complex hardware with 2 or more devices on the same JTAG scan chain. Something similar to the C6474 EVM with its 2 DSPs connected to the single JTAG connector. This can be done using a single JTAG configuration file and its advanced settings. For example, let's create a target configuration file for our C6474 EVM and a XTS100 V2 JTAG debugger. So we now chose our JTAG debugger, a V2, and we select the first device on the scan chain. I can simply select this device and I'll just click save just for the sake of it, and then I'll go to the advanced tab, and at this point I can add a new device to it. In this case I can simply go ahead and browse to the same 6474, oops, there you go, device. That's the next one. That's the second device on the scan chain, and I can also add multiples of it, depending on how complex my configuration is. So you can tell that now we have 2 devices with the appropriate suffixes, and voila, that's how the configuration is done. Very simple. Obviously, we can simply launch the configuration, and you can see that the debug view will display all of the devices, and because this device is very complex, it has 3 cores on each one, you see several cores at once in the debug configurations. Here it is. So we have all the devices on the scan chain, all the cores on the scan chain configured using a single target configuration file. This is valid also for different JTAG debuggers, for instance the XTS200 in this case, or even for different devices. You see here 2 different devices on the same scan chain, such as here and there and so on. You can add as many devices as you need. That's it. I hope